Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with an Alina crafts haul. I have a few dyes I want to share with you that I picked up, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. I have several to share with you. I'm going to share with you the dye, and then I'm going to share with you what I've created. As always, check the description box below for product information. I try to help you find the products that I share with you guys. So let's get started. This is the first dye that I picked up, and I bet you're like, what in the world is this? But it actually creates a really cute ball. I went out of my comfort zone because I don't normally do these kinds of projects, but let me just share with you what this dye creates. So this is what this dye creates, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, I gave you all a sneak peek of this ball, but this is how I decorated mine. What I did was I cut out the layers in heavyweight cardstock first, and then I used deco paper for the second layer because I wanted it to be sturdy. So as you can see, it creates this ball. And you have to cut out 5 strips of this particular dye right here. And then this dye right here covers the strips. After you piece it together, you see that it's perforated right there. You just fold it. I can do a tutorial for this if you'd like, just to show you how to create the base of the ball. But as you can see, I used some fun deco paper. It is an Easter themed. And on the top you can add a little hook so that you can hang it. I didn't have a hook. I'm gonna have to go to Hobby Lobby to find one, but this is a super cute hanging embellishment that you could put like in an Easter tree or just Easter decoration in your kitchen or wherever you decorate for Easter. I used the Echo Park paper that I picked up from Tuesday Morning. I used various dyes from my stash, the cute little bunnies, the little flower border, the eggs. This is a sticker from the Echo Park collection. On the inside of the egg, it's really hard to see. I did use some green shimmer mist to color the inside of the paper because it was white. I really love the way it came out. I used some flowers that were in my stash and some dyes, and this is just stickers. And I think it came out super cute. Like I said, this is totally out of my comfort zone. I am not used to creating these kinds of projects, but I actually enjoyed it and had a lot of fun. And I hope this inspires you guys to try something different, crafty wise. So fun dye and a super cute project to give to somebody or have as a decoration in your home. All right, up next, let me move this one out of the way. I picked up this set of nesting dies, and it's a set of balloons. It comes with 6 balloons, and they are stitched. I went ahead and cut out a couple so you guys could just see what they look like. And I will share with you in future a project using these balloons, but I think they're super, super cute. And look at that, that's the largest one. And then this is one of the smaller ones cut out, and I love the stitching around the balloon. So super cute die set. This is the next die set that I picked up, and as you can see, it has the word best and then perfect, and there's the perfect die cut out. And here is a little embellishment that I made using the word best. I used this friend die, which is a die from my stash, and then this little scalloped edge is actually an Alina craft die, and I'll share that with you in just a second. But I made a cute little treat topper, and I just think it came out so adorable. And you could do best day, best friend, you know, best ever. You know, you can finish off the best or the perfect any way that you want. So I'm really loving that die, and I love this little die that I turned into a treat topper. Super, super cute. Okay, and then up next I have this little treat bag, and it's actually like a gift card holder, or you could put a little note in there or whatever you want. It is stitched, and it comes with all these little different pieces. And this is the little treat holder that I created. I'll share with you this die in just a second. This is the little square that it comes with, and it just says, "Hey girlfriend," and that is a stamp set that I picked up from Alina store. And then this little stitched border comes with the little gift card set, and I just added some bling. And then this is the back, and then there's that stitched square right there. And then you can see right here it is perforated, so you could bend that back if you wanted to, or I guess you could even bend it, maybe you could bend it forward. It does have a little slit right there where you can slide your note or gift card, or you can just use the pocket and slide the gift card in that way. So really fun die, and looking forward to playing with this a little bit more. All right, so here is that nested die set that I just shared with you that I made the treat topper from. It comes with this scalloped stitch die, and then it comes with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 7 or 8 nesting rounded circle stitch dies. So this is an awesome set right here. This is what it looks like cut out. So this is the scallop. That's what I turned my little treat topper into. And then this is one of the layered squares that's rounded. And I just love the stitching on the dies. It's so pretty, you guys. And so I have been playing with this Martha Stewart paper, so I decided to just cut it out so I could just share with you what it looks like. But loving these die set right here. Here is this die set right here that I was just showing you, these little borders. It has a butterfly, the circles, and then a little chain, and this is what it looks like cut out. So I've got the circles in pink, and then there's the chain, and look at the super cute butterflies. I mean, you can use that in Easter projects, spring projects, or whatever, but it's a really cute border, and that is where I had used that little die on the gift card holder. So you could use this many different uses for this particular set. So really loving this set right here. All right, this is the next few dies I'm going to share with you. This really pretty floral die, it's gorgeous. And then this die set right here, and it has the word hooray. Really fun. Let me show you what I made with this. Again, using that Martha Stewart paper that I just recently picked up, I went ahead and turned that die into a shaker, and as you can see, it says hooray, and I have my fun sequence. I used that really pretty flower border die, and then I fussy cut some of the flowers from the collection to create my card base, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm really loving that paper. I love the tropical theme, so I'm already ready for summer. So super cute card, and I just love that, you know, you can always turn this into a shaker, and you don't have to turn it into a shaker. You can just layer it and decorate and have a flat card or a flat embellishment. So super pretty. So that is those two dies right there. And then up next, I have this die set right here. It creates these leaves, and it creates the hibiscus flower. I apologize, I've already been playing with it, trying to show you all the little different pieces that it comes with. It comes with several pieces to create. So let me just share with you what I created using that die right here. I made this beautiful card, and it says enjoy the little things, and as you can see, I double layered the leaves. Those are the hibiscus flowers. I made 3 of them, and then there's 2 different leaves in that set, so I used both sets of leaves and just double layered with different colored cardstock. This die right here is a die from my stash, and then I added some bling, and again, this is just the Martha Stewart paper that I recently picked up from Michael's, and I love the way it came out. It's so super cute, and I love the little blingy flowers that I added to the little tag, and that is another die from my stash. So really, really pretty hibiscus floral set. So if you're in the market for that kind of die set, definitely pick it up because it's so, so pretty. And let me just show you the back of my card, and then I haven't done anything on the inside yet, but beautiful card. I love it. Love the way it turned out. This is a stamp set that I picked up. It's really, really cute. I'm trying to, let me see if I can turn this over so you guys can see it a little bit better. But it has all of these really cute words. Hello, gorgeous. You look fabulous. Hey, girlfriend, which is what I used on that little gift card. And you can see the rest of the sentiments are really, really cute. And then you can also stamp the sentiments in these 2 little frames. And then you can, I think she has dies to cut these out. I didn't get the dies because I have the Brother Scan and Cut. But I think there is coordinating dies for this, but I'm not sure. So super cute stamp set. And then I also picked up this stamp set right here. And these have lots of different sentiments, like it says hugs and kisses to you, my friend. So happy for you. Let us party. Thanks, mercy, gracias. It's some different languages for everything you do. Everything is better when shared with a friend. So this is absolutely adorable. As you can see, there's so many different little sentiments, and you could die cut it out with a circle and have a lot of fun playing with this stamp set right here. I hope you guys can see that good. Super cute. And then I did pick up this set of nesting stitched dies right here. Picked up this set right here. I haven't had a chance to play with it, but it creates a really fun birthday cake. So I'm gonna have and I think it has the word love, and I'm not even sure what that word is. So I'm gonna have to play with this one, but I just want to share with you what I picked up, because you guys, after I share these dies, you know, a lot of you go and try to find them, and then sometimes they sell out. So I'm just gonna share with you what I picked up. That way, if you guys are interested, you can go and find it and pick it up too. This one right here is really cute as well, and again, I haven't played with this one yet, but it looks super cute. It has a bow, has two different bows, and then it has, looks like some leaves that are draping down, so I'm gonna look forward to playing with this one. And then I also have this really cute window, and it's stitched. It looks like there's double stitching, so this will be really cute to create like a little card scene maybe. Have some little critters peeping out or something of the door. That's what I'm thinking. So super cute one right there. And then this is the last one that I'm gonna share with you for today, and it's another stitched, I guess ornate frame set. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies in this set, and it is stitched. So really, really pretty. All right, so that is what I have to share with you guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys were inspired. Please leave me a comment, and please check the description box below if you have any questions on products used in today's video. And I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.